Leader is a short animated film featuring skills and characteristics of a good combat leader. I'm Zag, the maker of Leader. This is a breakdown video in which I explain the concepts and ideas depicted in the short film. In case you haven't seen the film yet and are interested to check it out, you can find the link on the screen or in the description. Without further interruption, let's start with the breakdown.
Contact right!
Goggles, get your gun up and start shooting.
Batcher 6, Batcher 2-1. 1-6 is down. We are pinned down by enemy fire 200 meters south of objective Cobalt. How copy? Over.
Batcher 2-1, this is Batcher 6, Romeo. Keep on the attack. All other assets are located elsewhere.
In this sequence, we are introduced with the situation. The unit is under enemy fire and they've taken some casualties, among which their commanding officer.
Roger that, Batcher 6. We'll do our best. Out.
Tell Stump to take over the platoon. Good luck to all of you.
Yes, sir. Consider it done. You take care.
The main subject of the animation, a leader referred to as Stump by his nickname, or Batcher 2-1 by his call sign, is conversing with his second in command. There's a few things to point out here. Stump knows the mission of his unit and is familiar with the orders at least one step above him in the chain of command. Thus he is able to quickly take over and continue the mission as their CO becomes casualty.
LT is being evacuated now. The platoon is yours. What do we do?
Skipper wants us to keep pushing. The objective is just a couple of 100 meters further. We'll call in a fire mission. After that, I need you to give covering fire with the first squad. I'll take the second, and we keep moving.
Stump has already assessed the situation and quickly comes up with a simple but actionable plan. Under stressful situations, straightforward, more flexible plans are easier to carry out than more complex, sophisticated maneuvers.
Yeah, it's just that. I'm down one man. I think Goggles has lost it.
I'll go check on him. You start working on that fire mission, all right?
Stump leaves his second in command with a preparatory order that both allows him to prepare for what's coming and also execute a task while Stump is away.
Darwin 1-1, this is Batcher 1-6 Foxtrot. Fire mission, over.
Batcher 1-6 Foxtrot, this is Darwin 1-1. Fire mission, go ahead, over.
In this scene, Stump encounters Goggles, who suffers from acute stress reaction. Acute stress reactions are triggered by extreme or traumatic events, and it has rendered Goggles combat ineffective and unresponsive. It is, however, possible to defuse the situation with a few fairly simple steps.
Hey, Goggles, you with me?
We can't. We're never gonna make it.
Stump gets Goggles' attention by calling out to him by his nickname. He then offers commitment to Goggles by promising to stay with him. Stump then proceeds on actions that are aimed to reactivate Goggles' frontal lobe, the section of the brain which is responsible for conscious decision-making and problem-solving, and essentially shuts down during an acute stress reaction. Stump engages Goggles' physical senses, touch, hearing, and sight.
Goggles, look at me. I need you with us. I'm squeezing your arm. Squeeze mine back. I'm here with you. Do you recognize me?
Yeah, you're Stump, leader of the second squad.
He then establishes the course of events that led to the present moment. He gives Goggles a simple task that requires conscious problem solving, in this case counting his mags.
That's it. We took some heavy contact and some incoming. We need to stay in the fight. How much ammo you get left?
3. No. I got 4 mags.
He then leaves Goggles with concrete steps to continue action, gather ammo, and report into his leader.
Good. Here's what I need you to do. Grab whatever ammo he has on him and bring it to your squad leader. Can you do that for me?
Yeah. I think I'm good. Thanks, Stump.
After engaging with Goggles, Stump is back with his second in command. They transfer information, which allows Stump to supervise how his orders are carried out and to keep his situational awareness up to date. Stump then gives a preparatory order addressing his unit, which allows them to prepare for what's to come.
All right, Goggles should be back up now. What's the status on that fire mission?
Splash. Over.
Splash out. Right on time.
Fire mission incoming. Everybody, get ready to move out.
In this final shot, Stump underlines a clear, actionable order with what I think should be the motto of every small unit leader: follow me, thus showing example and inspiring courage.
First squad, covering fire. Everybody else, follow me.
This concludes my breakdown of Leader. I hope you've enjoyed and found it interesting. Until next time, take care.